Number 1. Zeiss lens wipes. These remove dust, grime, finger marks from your glasses. They're designed to be used with the special coatings that you find on precision lenses. Guys, 200 of these in a box for less than $20. When you're not cleaning your glasses, use them to clean your camera lenses. Number 2. A decent entry-level camera tripod will cost you around $100 to $200 and can be used with nearly all mirrorless cameras and pretty much all but the largest DSLRs. They are designed for stability. Use them to take multiple shot images like panoramas, HDR, as well as video shoots and of course long exposures. The better tripods will have a detachable head, which allows you to use different heads for different shooting scenarios. At the smaller end of the scale, there are the tabletop tripods. This pocket tripod from Manfrotto can stabilize equipment up to about a couple of pounds in weight and literally fits inside your pocket. Number 3, a camera remote controller. There are hundreds of these out there from different manufacturers. This one from Canon allows you to control your Canon camera remotely, wirelessly, via Bluetooth, allowing you to focus on the scene rather than being fixed on the spot at your camera. And the remote shutter activator reduces camera shake that is caused by pressing down on the shutter button. That is it for this video. See you guys in the next one.